Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Let's come for today's topic. It's about our galaxies. When we talk about the enormity of the cosmos, it's easy to toss out big numbers, but far more difficult to wrap our mind around just how large, how far, and how numerous celestial bodies really are. To get a better sense, for instance, of the true distances to planets around other stars. We might start with the theater in which we find them, the Milky Way galaxy. What is a Milky Way galaxy anyway? Our galaxy is a gravitationally bound collection of stars swirling in a spiral through space based on the deepest image obtained so far. It's one of about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Groups of them are bound into clusters of galaxies and these into superclusters. The superclusters are arranged in immense sheets stretching across the universe. Interpressed with dark voids and landing, the whole a kind of spider web structure. Our galaxy probably contains 100 to 400 billion stars and is about 100,000 light years across. That sounds huge, and it is, at least until we start comparing it to other galaxies. Our neighboring Andromeda galaxy, for example, is some 220,000 light years wide. Another galaxy, IC 1101, spans as 4 million light years. Another question is, what the hecking is a light year? Glad that we have that question. It's one of the most commonly used celestial yardstick. The distance light year travels in 1 year, light zips along through interstellar space at 186,000 miles to 300,000 kilometers per second, more than 66 trips across the entire United States in 1 second. Multiply that by all the seconds in 1 year and you get 5.8 trillion miles, 9.5 trillion kilometers. Just for reference, Earth is about 8 light minutes from the sun, a trip at light speed to the very edge of our solar system. The farthest reaches of the Oort cloud, a collection of dormant comets way out there would take about 1.87 years. Keep going to Proxima Centauri, our nearest neighboring star, and plan on arriving in 4.25 years at light speed. If you could travel at light speed, which unless you are photon, a particle of light, you can't, and by current physical might never be possible, but I disagree. I hope you like this information and questions and answers. If you want more question answers like this, just tell me and I will provide it for you. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless. Allah Hafiz.